According to the weatherman, there's more rain coming, which unfortunately is wreaking havoc on some people's yards. Bob Carr here. Just wanted to fire off a message to you today because I'm getting all kind of calls about how people's yards are flooded with the rain we've gotten the last couple days. So what's the solution to water pooling and yard flooding from all this rain? Proper drainage, pure and simple. The good news is, once you solve your water drainage problem, it's usually solved for life, if you use TLC to get the job done right. TLC is experienced in standing water in puddled backyards and knows exactly how to fix these problems quickly so you never have the issue again. So how do you get started? First, give us a call. We'll schedule an appointment for a courteous TLC representative to inspect your drainage problem and create a custom drainage solution for your yard. You'll receive a free detailed written estimate for the work along with a diagram of the solution, all backed up by our 100% money back guarantee. If we can't fix your drainage problems, you don't pay a dime. Truth be told, if you're having flooding and yard drainage issues today, it's going to get worse before it gets better. Give us a call today at 410-721-2342. And I'm telling you, don't wait. More rain is on its way. Get your water problem solved today.